Ready?
Okay, tell us all about it. What do you got there? What is it?
Yeah, and it's starting right here. And the Gabba one. And then this book. And Morning Gabba's love this book. This book is even about the Gabba's living in a rhino. This book has them. Where should we go? Can you unclose this? Wait. It's too random. And you say the magic words, they come to life.
Okay.
And even
You want to show us how to do it?
Oh no.
No, but the magic words. What are the magic words?
Believe.
That makes them come to life?
No. And one of to click.
Okay.
Yeah, and they come to life.
How you make them come to life?
You just say the magic words.
Say it.
Oh no! Hoofa! Blowy!